Hey tech heads, Fina here. If you've been zapping around the EV market recently, you might have been struck by the ZEEKR X. And if you haven't, I definitely recommend checking it out. So this compact SUV is anything but compact when it comes to the features. We're talking next level safety systems, state-of-the-art infotainment, and 5G connectivity so fast it'll make your home internet blush. I already made one video where I discuss 5 exciting features of the ZEEKR X, plus one that's unfortunately missing. If you haven't seen it, I definitely recommend checking it out, and I'll leave a link in the description. But today, let's take a closer look at the range, as well as pricing and availability. Before we dive in, as always, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy the content. We would love to have you here. Okay, now let's get into it. So first, let's talk range. The ZEEKR X Long Range, which is a rear-wheel drive single motor, promises a journey of up to 440 kilometers on a single charge. That's like driving from Amsterdam to Brussels and back again without having to recharge, unless you're stopping for a Belgian waffle along the way. Then the Privilege trim, which is a dual motor, all-wheel drive, promises a slightly shorter range of just 400 kilometers, but you do get a bit more power in exchange. So it's just gonna be about your priorities. Let's cut to the chase. Where can you get your hands on one of these, and how much is it going to cost? ZEEKR is reinventing the wheel with a direct-to-customer based approach, so skip the middleman and keep an eye out for their flagship stores, one in Stockholm and one in Amsterdam, which are set to open by the end of this year. Now, if you can't wait that long, ZEEKR is also taking pre-orders now, and if all goes according to plan, you should have your new ride by sometime between October to December 2023. As far as the price goes, it's a pretty neat 44,990 euros in Amsterdam, and that is VAT included. For our Swedish viewers, that translates to 550,000 Swedish krona. So that's the ZEEKR X range, price, and availability in a nutshell. Unfortunately, ZEEKR still hasn't released many details about what all will be different in each trim, other than the motor, range, and power. So personally, I'd probably wait to order one until they show their hand a little bit more. Let me know your thoughts and impressions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.